Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're doing the oil in the old HTC 200S. This is like your little screen filter for your oil right here. That spring. And it goes all the way down here in that little hole. Oh crap, I don't know where my drain plug is, so time to go fishing. Found my drain plug. That's 1040. We're going even thicker. As thick as this motor will take, and it's old, so it should take well. First, we were running 1030 in it. And everybody's saying, you gotta run you some motorcycle oil in that. It's made for it. Yeah, I know. Motorcycle's expensive. It's like gas. All stupid gas price. You gotta run something like this, because these things got to get somewhat decent gas. Ooh, look at the chunks in there. We had some chunks come out. We changed it last night. We've had this thing drained overnight. So, pretty nasty. So, I'm going to grab me a paper towel. Them rags come apart with oil. Apparently, I guess. I don't know. So this goes in there first. It's in like that. Alright, so gotta fish it down that little big hole all the way down the bottom. Got that in. Now it's gonna be spring loaded. So y'all gotta be careful on this part if you're doing this yourself. Now you gotta press it and kind of twist. Now you don't get these things tight. All you do is snug it up. See it right there? That's the same thing this is. Same thing as what you got on your rocker arms, where you do adjust your valves. And you get them, you think you're gonna gorilla crank them down, they will bust. They'll shatter on you. Is what I've heard, so can't be cranking it down like some daggone gorilla. You know, all y'all tough people, ow dang, all y'all tough people out there, that's what y'all do, but you can't. Oh, I hit my back and that really hurts. I'm getting dizzy. Ooh, I hit something just then that hurt bad. Ow. Ah, that hurts right there. And you hit that on your back. There. Alright, I'm better. Alright, so now, I'm going to take the old, use the right size wrench. I don't have it, so I'm using a crescent wrench. Take you a crescent wrench, does it fit that? Alright, so I already got it adjusted. And all you got to do is go up under here and snug it up. Alright. I do believe this is tight enough. At least I hope this is tight enough. Alright. Who's in here? Okay, my brother's in here. So now, what? I walked through there, I showed him, I gave him my hand, I said, big block 454, big block Chevy 454, 1970 C10, and small block 350, and 59 Apache. What? I figured it was. '70 Dad drove up there. My dad don't have much luck in people painting his cars and trucks and everything else. I got a vacuum, Garrett, so I can't hear a word you're saying. I don't care what you're saying. Thing's unplugged. Well, that's unusual. Normally they're always plugged up. You don't want none of this falling in your motor. Alright, that didn't work very well. Vacuum don't have that much suction. This thing ought to do it though. That done it. I love this thing. We got the expensive oil 20. I'm doing a video, Garrett. I don't have very much time, Garrett. I'm not. It's whatever that says. GX helps extend the life of engine. Helps extend engine life to 2050. I said 2040 earlier. 2050, Dad said work as well. If you lose any of my screwdrivers, it's gonna be a fight.
I just need one for a little bicycle. Oh, seat's down. Wow.
No, it ain't.
Well, soon to be.
And if you lose my, it's gonna easily take one of these bottles, cause it drinks a lot of oil. This is a quart, so yeah.
Oh yeah, ain't that the expensive type?
Yeah, this is expensive. It'll easily take a quart of this. So we put a quart of 1030 in it, and it drank it.
Oh, it's not working my bike.
If you want your bike to explode. I'll put some of that Lucas oil in there.
Yeah,
in here for 18-wheelers and all the other crap. For all the engines that smoke, stop leaking. You can put that thing in your transmission and everything else you got.
Yeah, bro. Put some of that in there. I bet it'd run perfect.
Y'all thinking I'm about to overfill the crap out of this thing, but I'm telling y'all, we put a quart of that 1030 in it. And it drank it down, too. I mean, I use half of that big green ball of O'Reilly's high mileage 1040 in it. Garrett's, that dirt bike's about to be, it's 2022, it's like a 2004, so it's about to be 20 years old.
Yeah, at 2024, 2020.
Which I can't hardly believe, but dang it. Crap. A rag. I want this crap down my motor. I'll get my air compressor hose. Garrett, can you shut up in there? No one likes you. Blowing oil everywhere.
I'm done with stupid cables. Where's some wire cutters?
Nope, you're not cutting no wires.
Why?
Because I know how you are with wires, cutters. You'll cut the wrong thing.
No.
You'll cut the wrong, yeah, if you cut the wrong style material with my wire cutters, Garrett, it dents them.
It's one of them brake cables.
Don't cut it.
I have to.
It's steel, Garrett. No, you're not cutting it.
You have to.
Is it on my mountain bike?
Yes.
No, you're not cutting it.
Well, the shifter's already off.
Oh, I forgot to wipe the dipstick off.
I don't have to borrow a grinder.
I'm going to come in there in a minute. I'm going to show you how to get it off. Thinks you gotta cut everything. Get everything off.
You try your
Rather than
best.
touching the dipstick.
Try your best. You
Try your best what?
on it. You can get it off. I can say that.
You don't think I can work on a bicycle?
I mean, I'm a bicycle.
You're.
Got my chopper back there.
Yeah, and all that crap's gonna go out of the shop and we'll get them C10s.
No, we don't have two seasons first of all.
Well, C10 and the 59 I meant.
My baby's standing like that.
No, Dad says it ain't. That's how we gonna get that 454 out of there.
There's two exits.
Yeah, and they're blocking basically both of them.
I'm not.
Shut up. I don't want to get in a fight on camera. So all my friends don't want to see me whoop your butt.
Well, we fighting dirty.
Fist fighting.
Yeah, fighting dirty fist fighting. Okay. We dirty fist fighting. Dirty fist fighting.
I'll still whoop your butt.
Let's go. How dirty we be fighting though? Butter enough dirty?
He's retarded. Oh, it's full. Maybe too full.
I'm putting the motor on this.
You're gonna put a motor on a set of forks off the 82.
Yeah.
The 82's frame is rotted. So it's out in the scrap pile right now.
I'm putting a little seat. Yeah, you the motor.
Alright, let's see if she'll light off. Y'all ain't seen her to run yet. Well, I'm gonna act like it's hitting. Well. Y'all heard it run somewhat. Can't be recording for too long. Thanks for watching, y'all. See y'all next time. Like and subscribe. I can't about to go dead.